welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do back workout. I think everyone is safe and stay safe, be healthy. Let's start with the workout.
Let's do the warm up first for the back. So we are going to do right now, it's like pull up. So like this word, try to go up and come down. See, it's a bit closer. We should keep our hands more wider to get a proper pull on the lat and all. So try to do this pull-ups like 10 into 3 sets. Okay guys, we'll go with the next warm-up. So here we see the second warm-up for the back. So please do like this word. So raise your upper body like this and try to do push-up. So keep the knee and leg on the floor itself and try to do like this word. So do this like 10 into 3 sets. So mainly try to your back. You should feel on the back up portion. Okay guys, let's start with our workout. We start our first workout. So dumbbell row it is. Let's see the workout right now. First push your back a little bit. Raise your chest up. See straight. And start the workout. So we should do like 15 into 3 sets. See the back form. It should be full complete straight like this. So keep the back portion straight and try to squeeze your backside like this one and try to do. So please see this completely and start doing the workout. So you should do 15 into 3 sets. So total 5 minutes workout we have planned. Total 5 variations. So this is the first variation. So see upward itself and try to do like this work guys. Okay. Here we go with the second variation, hip thrust, okay? So go up and down like this word. If you want to affect more on the lower back, try to hold it for 2 seconds and come down like this slowly. Try to do a bit more slower. So this will be very easy and effective for your lower back and all. So try to do this reps like 12 into 3 sets. If you have more weights and all, try to increase the weight. So if you have a bench and all, it will be more best and all. But right now we are doing in home way. So this is also a bit effective and very good exercise for your lower back and all. Here we are going with the third variation, seated row in dumbbell. So let's do this. So try to do like this word, keep your chest up, keep the back like this and try to go more downward and try to pull the lat and try to do like this. And the reps will be like 12 into 3 sets. So one side will be 12, so other side, total both side will be 24. And on the second set try to increase the weight. So let's change to the next side. Please see this. So try to go down and pull like this. So then you'll get more effect on your back lat or wings. It depends on you. Okay guys, so complete this workout. We'll go with the next variation. Here going with the fourth variation. So see this. Try to go like this word. So try to stretch complete downward and come up. Don't need to go full. So complete down like this and try to do like this word. This is the fourth variation. This one also will work on the lat itself. So try to do like this. So your reps will be like 15 into 3 sets. This is only 5 minutes guys, so we will be showing very less. From next video onwards, we'll make more duration time and all, okay? Right now, just like normal, okay? Let's do it. Now we go with the final variation, it's deadlift in dumbbell. So right now you are seeing is deadlift in dumbbells. So keep the back complete straight like this word, see this once. So hold a second, push your chest upward like this and go down. Bend the knee little bit and try to go down and up like this word. So you should do this 15 into 3 sets. See if you want to make it more effective and all, you can even do in bar. If you have bar, please do in bar or else try to increase more weight. Deadlift required lot of weight. So that's it guys for the day workout. And thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.